Ya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we are from fourth group. We will discuss about writing test. So will be the first is Puji Fauzia. Will explain about definition of writing text. So Puji Fauzia, time is yours.
Okay, my name is Puji Paujia. I want to explain about definition of writing test. Definition of writing test is any examination model to sample and gauge writing abilities. That are inclusive of motor function of writing, grammar, content, and spelling. Yes. Next.
Sabar. The aim of writing.
Okay, next, I'm Dinda. I will explain about the aim of writing test. The first is to improve students' ability in arrange words into grammatically correct sentence. And the second is to assess how good is students' ability to convey opinion or give an explanation in the form of writing English. Okay, next.
Okay, next is Lina dulu nggak sih?
Udah lanjut aja.
Yaudah, how to conduct the writing test. So the first is you as a teacher know what is you are going to test. So because students will know what is expected of them of the test, so you should have a well-defined goal within the test. And second is you have to determine the format of the task. Determine the format of the task here. You can select the type of question you would like to use in the task. You can use multiple choice, essay, or true or false, anything in your writing task. And third is select the correct wording. It means you as the teacher, when you write the task, you have to with clear choice word, avoid overwordy questions, with language, so you have to be specific. It is important to make students easier to answer the test. And fourth is write the instruction and example. And last is review and revise the task. So you can know how successful the task for the students. Next.
Sorry, tadi kelewat. So the function of writing test is to evaluate teaching and learning process.
This is now common tasks to the writing test. First is get feeling. It is a practice exercise in which students have to replace words missing from a text. The second one is form completion. It is an exercise in which students have to fill in the missing information based on the listening passage and then making correction. It is an exercise in which students have to correct a misspelled words or wrong sentence. And then letter writing. It is a test that the exchange of written or written message such as notes, letters, and postcards. And the last one is essay writing. It is a piece of writing test that gives the students an argument. Next.
So in this slide, here is a writing test assessment criteria. There are 4 assessment criteria of writing test. The first assessment is the first criteria is test achievement. It depends on how well is the essay related to the given question. And the second one is coherence and cohesion. It depends on the structure of the essay, its readability, understandability, and meaningfulness. The content should have a proper flow and shouldn't jump back and forth between ideas. It also depends on whether the pronouns used in the essay are justified and corresponding. Nouns are already present in the essay. The third criteria is diction. It depends on how varied is the vocabulary that is used in the essay. If more words are repeated, so the score will be lower. And the fourth criteria is grammatical range. It depends on the number of grammatical and spelling mistakes made in the essay. If there are more mistakes, so the score will be lower. Nah.
Well, I guess that's it.
Yeah, that's finished.
Q&A aja.
Udah.
So that's it, our presentation. Ini kita langsung masuk ke Q&A aja.
No.
Tunggu aja.
Ya terserah.
Sampai nggak ada. Udah aneh gubris juga dari tadi. Belum ada respon.
Okay, I guess now we open our Q&A session for anyone who wants to ask.
Iya, Dinda mau nanya apa?
Ini pertanyaannya kita tampung dulu ya, nanti jawabnya sekali.
Mau
Ada
lihat
lagi?
slide dulu dong.
Iya. Kian.
Lina.
Mau lihat slide dulu. Di scroll aja. Slide-nya boleh digeser nggak? Oh my god.
Mungkin lemot. Sabar ya.
Lagi. Common. Mau nanya yang common task dong.
Yeah. What is it?
Ya. Jadi ini mau nanya ya, saya habis mau nanya itu yang common task itu termasuk tipe-tipe dari writing task atau dia berbeda dari dari tipe-tipe dari writing task. Soalnya baru dengar gitu common task. Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you.
Ya, ada lagi. There are any questions?
Iya, jawab aja dulu. Terlalu lama soalnya.
Gue pengen jawab bahasa Indonesia, gimana boleh nggak ya? Want to
Dari
answer
kemarin.
the Dinda Alivia question. Yang teknik tes yang jarang dipakai itu sekarang Scrabble, yang game Scrabble itu biasanya tuh Scrabble itu dipakai buat writing test, tapi dikarenakan kurangnya apa ya, sebenarnya bagus sih tapi tuh jarang dipakai. Soalnya waktu itu saya pernah baca di jurnal, nanti kalau nemu lagi nanti saya kirimin. Di situ dia pakai dua, ada Scrabble sama ada lagi satu saya lupa namanya, tapi dia lebih memilih yang satunya lagi daripada Scrabble. Seperti itu. Semoga terjawab.
Dinda Olivia, gimana? Cukup? Udah. Oke, thank you, Dinda.
My pleasure. Okay, next.
I will answer Hafiz question. I think common task and it is same thing with writing test because I cannot find the type of writing specifically.
So it's like different ya berarti ya, beda ya berarti.
I don't know how type of writing test is, but it is. Tapi kayaknya itu sama aja sih, kayaknya sama writing test karena itu yang biasa digunain di writing test.
Gitu. Common task ya, tes pada umumnya begitu maksudnya.
Iya.
Oke. Thank you.
Oke, happy silakan.
Ini kalau nggak ada yang mau bertanya lagi, kita yang kasih pertanyaan ya. Ya, silakan. Ya, silakan Bella.
Kedengeran nggak?
Iya, kedengeran.
Kedengeran.
Di slide aims of writing dong.
Sorry Bella, tadi apa?
Di aims.
Aim.
Nah, oke. Can you give me the short explanation about the aims of writing test? Short explanation. Short sentence.
Secara keseluruhan aja ya dari 2 poin itu. Oke. Ini ada yang mau bertanya lagi?
Di komen.
Kayaknya langsung jawab aja deh, Din.
Langsung aja ya?
Iya.
Yang the aim of writing test ya. Kalau menurut saya itu kalau ini nggak apa-apa pakai bahasa.
Mix.
Okay. So in my opinion, the aim of writing test in short is to assess and to assess, to measure, and to improve students' ability in writing in English. Gitu. Gimana Bella?
Oke. Thank you.
Ya, sama-sama.
Anissa mau nanya apa?
I wanna ask about the function of writing test. In the slide, the function of writing test is to evaluate teaching and learning process. I wanna ask, is there another function of writing test? Thank you.
Actually, the function of testing is to evaluate teaching and learning process, but in writing test, to know how type writing, the pronunciation, and the structure of writing. Is it enough, Nisa?
Yeah, okay.
Repeat please, Lina.
Actually, the testing is to evaluate teaching and learning process, but in writing test is to know how the type writing, the punctuation, and the structure of writing. The sample is how to make a simple present tense, like that.
Si question ya. Ada 4 kan ya?
Guys, izin off cam sebentar ya.
Ayo, siapa yang mau nanya lagi?
Lina,
Ya,
boleh
sesi
nambahin yang, tar dulu bentar dong guys.
Iya.
Boleh nambahin yang function nggak?
apa?
Sebenarnya kan di sini writing test ini buat ke studentnya ini kan, kayak to evaluate the student to know their comprehension, kayak biasa aja reading test gitu, buat skillnya mereka gitu.
Iya.
Jadi simpelnya aja kayak gitu, Lin. Maksudnya kan kalau kepanjangan bisa.
Iya, jadi itu sebenarnya gini, tes itu semuanya sama buat evaluasi pembelajaran sama si pelajar sama si belajarnya itu. Tapi di writing test itu tuh ya biar agar tahu tipe-tipe writing tes itu kayak gimana. Contohnya yang pas lagi yang kita belajarin mata kuliah writing, ya kan, titik komanya, tanda bacanya harus kayak gimana, kayak gitu, strukturalnya. Sebenarnya itu fungsi dari writing test. Tapi secara keseluruhan mah buat evaluasi teaching and learning process. Itu Bel, udah belum Bel?
Yes.
Oke.
Si Lin background-nya nggak pakai RPP, Lin?
Sorry, kenapa tadi?
Raka.
Nggak, Raka bercanda doang.
Oh. Oke, next sesi ya. We're open for questions. Ada yang mau nanya lagi?
Ini Ica nanya ke grup, katanya boleh dijelasin ulang nggak tentang diction?
Tentang apa?
Diction. Yang bagian pika kayaknya deh.
Oke.
Ya.
Jadi pakai bahasa Indonesia atau pakai bahasa Inggris?
English.
Diction in assessment criteria of writing test ini, it depends on how varied is the vocabulary that is used in the essay. If more words are repeated, jadi pakai bahasa Indonesia aja lah. Jadi itu tergantung banyaknya variasi dari si vocabulary-nya di dalam esainya itu. Jadi nanti kalau misalkan banyak kata-kata yang keulang, skornya itu bakal lebih rendah. Jadi harus increase the vocabulary-nya gitu. Gimana?
Gimana, Ca? Oke, katanya oke.
Thank you.
Materinya apa sih?
Next.
Three more question, guys.
Dari yang awal.
Ini sesi yang kedua untuk 4 penanya lagi ya. Tadi kan first session udah ada 4, terus ini yang kedua tadi Ica. Jadi silakan yang mau bertanya.
Three more question.
Judul apa sih?
Writing test. That's a question, Aci.